What's up, guys? It's January 30th, 2026, and today we're doing our little trade recap. Although I didn't really trade, you can see one of my cats. I didn't really trade today because, well, let me see. Oh, what the hell happened? Bro. Oh my gosh. Oh, there we go. What the hell? I don't know why it went like that. I can't see anything now. Okay, let's just use the NASDAQ for example. Okay. Wait, today's the 30th. Okay. Oh, just because my cats are playing with my Crocs. Okay. What? Chill out. Okay, so we had, PPI at 6:30 today. Market. Oh, there we go. Finally. Okay. So market didn't really move much on PPI actually. Let me see. 6:30. 6:30. I just gave them food, whatever. So 6:30. That's when it was like right here. That's PPI. I guess it dropped a bit. And it went back up. Then market opened and it just printed barcodes for a bit. Actually, look at this shit on the 15 minutes, bro. What the fuck? Then after that, we started going down a bit. We didn't really reach one of my. Hold on. Did we? We didn't reach any draws of liquidity, surprisingly. Sorry, my cats are troublemakers. Nothing much really. We had a fair value gap here. We had a couple fair value gaps. Not much, if I'm being honest. This could have entered here. Wait. Yeah, I didn't really want to trade today because we just printed barcodes for a bit. Although maybe I could have found something, but I don't know. I don't know what market was doing today. It was the same in the NASDAQ too. Look at this. What the hell? Until 9? Yeah, somewhat. It started going down. I guess on the NASDAQ we did reach one of our draws of liquidity. Not on the S&P 500. But yeah, I guess I could have expected it to go up, but it didn't. So, I mean, not much change after. Yeah, no, didn't do anything in Robinhood either today. I took a little break from Robinhood. Yeah, nothing today, as you can see. The hell are my cats doing, bro? Going crazy. There's one of them. And one of them is under my desk. Let me see. Under my bed. Never mind. I think both of them are under my bed now. What the fuck? We've had them for a while now, and they're just getting crazy, bro. I forgot I could turn the camera black and white too. Or blue, what the hell? Or gray. I don't know. It's weird, there's my screen. As you can see. Oh, hold on, let me fix this. go. Okay, but yeah, that was today's little market recap. I mean, nothing much really happened. Just printed barcodes for a bit, like an hour. Next week. Next week, we have news on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So all week we do have news. The week after that, we only have news on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Huh. Just looking here. Guess I have it all scheduled, huh? But yeah, so next week there are news every day, so let's get ready for that. Oh. Ah, fuck. There's one of my cats laying back there. Yeah, but I'll see you all next week. Don't expect the video over the weekend unless I find something to record. But yeah, I'll see you all next week. Hold on, I have to bring out someone I haven't brought out in a minute.